Hello guys.
Hello my friends. Introduce yourself please.
Hello, my name is Robert. I'm the Imperial Knight player of Team Sweden 40k at ETC. I just played the Russian Imperial Guard player for Astra Militarium. It didn't go so well for me. I took 0 points. I felt it was a quite close game because I didn't think he had the damage output to kill the knights. But his deep striking troops did a good job clearing my backfield, which made me not able to really push forward with my knights. So I ended up safing home and just taking way too little maelstrom.
You playing with knights of Taranis household?
Yes.
Yes.
So I stood him up 2 times, which helped a bit. But the fact that he had single deep striking characters, which could interrupt my objective scoring, made it a bit problematic for me. So I ended up losing big time. I'm fairly confident I should be able to take some points, but I ended up taking 0 points instead.
But what do you think about Stepan, and what do you think about the game?
Game in general was good. I think we both made some mistakes, but we had to play a bit quickly because he had a lot of models.
How many times you played?
ETC, this is my 5th year. 2nd year with Knights. So far I did a 20-0.
For this game, how many times you? Not total for you.
How many practice games? Or
no. On this game, how many times? 2 hours, 3 hours.
I think I played for about an hour and Stefan for about 2 hours. So we had a little time left. But I could take it a bit easier. I tried to help him by mass rolling. We could pretty much just duplicate the amount of last gun shots.
So we could have a lot of misrolling.
Misrolling?
No, some problem with the dice. Bad rolling.
Well, I think his damage output shouldn't have been able to kill 3 knights, but that's the thing. When you count 4 up invos, you never know.
Yeah. But,
with correct management and the switching between knights that doesn't have rotate or the right relic, you could pretty much do quite a lot of damage.
I saw maybe a few minutes of your games, and when you lose your first knights, you lose a lot of saves, but really a lot of them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but that's the game. I had a really good game last game where I was a bit lucky with my rolls. So that's the thing with this sport. It's like poker. Luck plays a role, but in the end, I think it evens out a lot.
Okay, thank you very much. We wish you all the best.